Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. This is day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas junk journal. Let's see. Let's see. Friendly Junk Journal People's 12 days of Christmas junk journal gifts, I think. Anyway, there's 12 days of fun video tutorials on different projects. Each day is the same project, but several different people are doing their videos. So you're getting to see different ways of doing things. And what I usually do is kind of pick a little bit of this one and a little bit of that one, the way they do it, and that looks easier and that looks easier, and so I mix those together. Anyway, today is making just a mini journal out of my scraps. These are offcuts of a couple of different projects, and so I made sure that they are all 8.5 by something, 8.5 by 2 3/4 looks like. And of course it can be whatever size you want, whatever size you have. You can make a 3x4 or 4x6, you know, just whatever you have. But I was thinking this would be fun to go this way, to have a pad, a notepad, and this is cardstock on the outside, so it can take a little bit of abuse from the inside of my purse, and then flip it open like this. And then there's several, there's cardstock inside. There's also dotted paper, like dot grid paper, and more dot grid. Cardstock, ledger paper, and then it starts over again. So it's pretty sturdy. So I thought what I would do is just make me a notepad, because I am constantly writing notes and forgetting that I wrote them. But I just thought this would be handy. And of course I remember things when I'm out. I'm not at home, but when I'm out and can't sit down and write it out. So I thought that would be kind of fun. So I am just going to eyeball this, do my regular little 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and make sure that my finger is not on the receiving end of this. Okay, so got your 3 little holes. Put my piece of thread. Hope y'all are enjoying this 12 days of tutorials. I think it's been a hoot. So if you I'm sure you know, but you just oh wait, I was going to do it the other way, because I want to tie a bow on the outside. So here's something I've never done, is sew it backwards. So instead of going, I'm going to go in instead of out, and then it's just exactly opposite of oops. And of course, I couldn't see to do this if I tried, but since I don't want to do it, I actually am able to thread or sew one of these right through the other one. I couldn't do that if I tried. But, alright, so I've got Sometimes it's hard for me to get a hold of it to pull. Make sure I've got my strings tight enough. No. Oh, it's gonna be one of those. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull them both. Okay. Right. So if I have enough string here on the outside, I'm going to tie a bow, but it doesn't look like I do. Maybe a little tiny bow, but that's not what I envisioned. Yeah, not at all what I envisioned, but it's okay. It's cute. Can you see it? So I now have me a little notepad made completely of offcuts, stuff that you know, could have been tossed, but we don't toss our offcuts because it's totally against the rules. But a nice little notepad that'll last me a while. All right, that is it. Thank you for watching.